and welcome to the Knitty Kitties channel, and today we're joined by John from the Heathen Emporium. Now, him and myself, we decided to do some video about the Ender 5 3D printer. Now, he also makes chainmail jewellery as well and all kinds of things like that. I'll pop the Instagram in the link below. So he decided to get this one because he wanted a printer which would print larger items such as full helmets, weapons and props. Now, he says he liked the community interaction much better than any of the others. Some can be quite toxic apparently, but for the Ender 5 everyone so far has been super helpful, so that's great to hear. Now, he upgraded it to a silent motherboard straight away because it's got super noisy stepper motors and he found them a bit too loud. Now, he's just put this video together to show you the unboxing of it and took some photographs as well, so you can see that, just if it was interesting or informative to anyone. This isn't any kind of tutorial or that, it is simply just first impressions. So another thing he did, he also upgraded the extruder to a metal one instead of the plastic one it comes with. Another thing he did was he changed out the glass bed that it comes with, and he changed that to a spring steel textured PEI bed. And the reason for that is that he finds it easier to get prints off of that, and it didn't have any adhesion issues. Now, as you can see, it's rather big and it does take up a lot of space, but so far he says it has been well worth it. And he obviously knew it was going to be massive before he purchased it. Now John put together a list of pros and cons for the Ender 5, and these are the pros. Massive build space, good community, lots of spares, upgrades, easy to put together, good price point for the size / features, and auto leveling is excellent. Now along with pros there's also going to be cons as well, but very little amount. Cons are very noisy before upgrade, plastic extruder, you will need a large area, and the wiring is messy even when correctly routed. So a big thank you there to John from the Heathen Emporium for putting that video together and telling me everything so far, first impressions about the Ender 5, much appreciated. And I'll pop all of his links in the description down below, the Instagram, etc., so you can check that out, and also check out his handmade jewellery and items, lots and lots of different things. It's a big thank you from me, Netty, for watching this video as well, really appreciate it. We do lots and lots of different crafting here and all kinds of everything coming up very soon. Thank you for watching and bye for now.